Hi guys, welcome back on Tech 8. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to use Google Maps while driving. First of all, you can open the Google Maps. I can already open the maps, and now you can see the search here option at the top of the screen. Tap on it and you can enter your destination. After entering your destination, you can tap on the destination and you can see the different options here. Tap on directions at the middle left of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can just simply tap on start at the bottom left corner of the screen. And after tapping on start, the Google map is telling the location that you reached. Place your mobile on a car mount for easy viewing, and it is a way you can use Google Maps while driving. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help? Drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.